This is an Audi A6 e-tron, so it's the sportback fully electric vehicle protected with a Halo Mini. So this system, if someone had the key to this, went to steal the vehicle, they're going to be unable to drive it away. They'll get it started, but it's not going to go into gear, it's going to go straight back into park. So what the customer's got to do, they have a push sequence, receive a flash, and now they'll be able to select a gear and drive the vehicle away. When they turn the vehicle off, the system activates straight away, confirmed with 2 flashes, and now if someone tried to steal it, the vehicle's not going to allow you to put it into gear. So one more time, we pop our code in, receive an instant flash, select our gear, and we're good to go. This has an unlimited service mode, so when it goes to Audi, you don't need to worry about handing over the push sequence. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is an A6 e-tron sportback, fully electric, Audi, 75 plate, protected with a Halo Mini. Thanks for watching.